Okay, so let's apply a preset, bump up the exposure, correct the white balance. I'm going to click on something white, bump up the exposure a little bit more, choose my lens, hit auto on the transform panel, and now I'm going to want to darken this window. Let's zoom in a bit, hold control, draw a shape around the window, get out the adjustment brush by pressing K, and I'm just going to draw over everything. Okay, so now we're going to start erasing. Get out the erase brush. I'm going to click once, hold shift, click again, and we just drew a perfect line on that edge. Now we're just going to do everywhere else. So we'll start here at the bottom, and then I'll just speed through this whole window. Okay, so now I've covered the whole window, and I think I'm going to bump up the temperature a little bit to be a little bit more accurate. And then let's increase the dehaze slider a little bit and a little bit more saturation. And then I think I'm going to back off on darkening the exposures. So I'm going to brighten this up a little bit. And now I don't want to make this patio this dark, so I'm going to keep erasing, but I'm going to turn the flow way down and turn the feather all the way up and just erase a little bit. And I want to erase the side of the house a little bit. I don't want that so dark. Okay, now I think I'm going to bring the exposure back down a little bit. Okay, I think that's good. Okay, now let's look at it before and after. And I think that looks pretty good.